Alright, time to start on this and try to get it done today so I can get get them gone. Let's see, I need this light on. I got pink. I don't want pink. So we're gonna get rid of the pink. Don't want pink on it. Our boys. We want to keep our boys. Let's see what we can do. Okay, there's red. I should have some red. Alright, now I've got red on top. And I ought not have red. I ought to have blue. The other quilt was red. I gotta rechange everything. Because I don't want red on blue. I want blue on blue. Alright, let me see what I can do. Alright, let me show you something I seen in a video. I guess it was last night. I thought, hey, yeah, it's pretty cool. You know, I don't know what in the world I've done with all my things that people sent me. That you put down in here and put that with it. I don't know what I've done with them. It's like I can't keep up with nothing. This is a bad day for me, I guess. Alright, so I've got this one and I want to keep it with that one. Alrighty. Now, I say take and put it down in the middle of this. And where your thread is right here, take and pull it through that. And that will help that. And then take it and put it on this. So that a rubber band is better, but I found a hair tie. It'll work. We got that. And I got this done. Okay. I ain't gonna gripe about it not today. Ain't no need to. Alright, let's see if we can't get this ready to rock and roll. Alright, let's see if we can't do this. I want to open my door, put this down in here to make sure everything stays fine. Alright. Now, I've got to get some room in here. What am I going to do? Alright. Make sure all of our material is out. Let's see if I can't win here. No, you're not going to win. Magnet. Cool. I got you. I got you. Alright. Okay, where ain't you going? I'm going to start right here. And I'm going to start going down. I want to hit from green dot to green dot. And go all the way. right here done. It don't look bad at all. I think it'll work out just fine. Alright, so now, well, somewhere, let me go check my sewing machine. I don't like that, but I'm not going to do nothing about it. Alrighty, I don't know what happened, but it's not that bad. I'm not going to worry about it. It's the only place I see so far, so that works out. Now, we want to turn everything around, and we're going to work on this side here. I hope. Alright. This time, I'm going to take off the pins and let's see. No, I won't be going that way. I need to go the other way. Go this way. Yeah, that's the way that I need to go. Down this way. So, I do need to start here and roll that way. I gotta make sure I'm getting my brain straight. Alright. We're gonna kind of roll this up. Make sure that I can go from pillar to pillar. Pillar to post. Alright. And then I'm going to turn it when I get halfway. I'm going to take pins out as I go. Ain't no needing them sitting there when we don't need them no more. Alright. Okay, from pillar down. it's time to cut it all the way around. I don't want to lose none of my scraps because I can always go back and take them apart or leave them like that and reuse them. So I'm going to leave them like that. And now this corner right here is broke off. I hate it, but hey, look, that's life. It keeps going, whether you want it to or not. So we're going to go through. Let's see what we could do here. Alrighty, it's time to put the binding on it. Now, if you want the binding to be on the front, you put it on the back first. If you want it on the back, then you put it on the front first. So, I'm just going to find me a spot. It don't matter as long as it's not in the corner because it makes it harder on the corner. Alright, this end I did not cut the salvage edge off because I know I was going to cut it off later. But however, I'm going to put it down and find me a pin, and I'm going to pin it down, leaving me I don't know, probably about 5 or 6 inches. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to sew it all the way around it. Oh my God, I hope I say it backwards. Oh, it is backwards. Wouldn't you know it? Start it over again. You watch watching, Granny?
Yeah.
I hope one of y'all become a quilter because it's going out of style. And it's something that's really, really homemade now. Huh?
Well, I see a slimer's feet. Not to see Batman head in his body and his hand and he put to
I was
his.
supposed to do both of them, but oh well. I'll do both of them next time. Still good, kinda. Even though I messed that, I'm supposed to fold it and sew it down, but I didn't. But you know what? I'm gonna continue anyway, and I'm gonna get her down. Huh?
I know long time ago we painted these.
I know it. And as you can tell, I use them.
It's hard to know. I don't know whose is this.
Huh?
I don't know whose is this.
Oh, I don't know either. It don't matter. I use both of them. I use both of them.
I just use randomly colors around in mine. Keep it on mine. But and that doll should be not right there.
Why?
Because it missing the head.
Well, the reason why it's missing the head is so I can make Barbie doll clothes. That's why it's missing the head, because the hair gets in the way. And the head gets in the way. So I just make Barbie doll clothes with that one.
Well, I really want to see.
Huh?
I really want to see if you can make a
Oh, I made them Barbie doll clothes. I made that.
I really want.
Huh?
I really want the pattern to be on the bottom and then clothes to be cut off.
Well, it's okay. I don't mind the head being cut off. It makes it easier for me to sew. Make it easier on me.
I really want to see if you can make that a shirt. Because I know someone can make a shirt like you.
Yep. They probably make it better than me. Granny just sews because she likes to. She ain't no pro and she'll never be no pro. Alrighty, since I did this wrong, I just took and just turned it over and sewed it all the way around. Here is the signature patch. So now, all we like is to measure it and see how big it is. Now, if you want to watch the pillow being made, you go to Sandy Workman, and it will be on it. Oh, because I'm going to make a pillow like I did the last one. I want them little boys to have. So, let's see what we can do here. We have 42.5. Okay. 42.5 by whatever it is. Now I've got a quilt here for the mother too, so I'll show it to you here in a minute. No, I don't want to. Which way am I going? This way. Okay. Hopefully I can get it. Alright, 69.5. Can't see nothing. 69.5. Alright, so now we have this done. Now, let me show you the quilt that I have for the mother. I hope it's big enough. She can use it and all that good stuff. Gotta move all the stuff out of the way. I can tell you cannot see it too good, so I will put it at the end of this, but I think Amelia is trying to be really cute. This right here, I figured the mother would like. You like that? No, don't climb on it now. And the backing is this right here. Alrighty. Oh, alright. Alright, I hope y'all enjoy, and I'll see you over there when I make the pillow. But other than that, I think I'm about done here.
I think she got her belly full.
Yeah, she feels better.